Hello everyone, welcome back to channel. I'm Arshan, a student of BBA second year. Today we are going to make our first website. Don't worry if you don't know anything about it. We are going to start with scratch to diamond. So for our website, we are going to use HTML. So basically, what is HTML? HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. It is used to develop website. It often assisted by CSS, which is cascading style sheet, and scripting language such as JavaScript. So before starting with our first website, first download the bracket text editor from Google. Here search bracket, bracket text editor. This is website. You can download it from here. I have already downloaded it. So let's open the text editor. Firstly, I will give you the basic overview of this editor. There is a file name which you are using. Like I'm using first my first web page. So these are showing here, and these are the files which you worked in. Here are some plugin options. Before starting, I want to share some important tags with you, which are uh, you mostly using in HTML. So the tag number one, which is H1, which is for heading. If you want to give heading in your website, you can use H1, H2, H3. It goes to H6, and the second is P. P is for paragraph. If you want to write paragraph, so you can use a tag P. A tag A is for hyperlink. Like if you remember, if you have visit some website and you have seen some website between the text, it gives by using this tag. So let's move to our text editor. Let's select new file. Firstly you have to make a new file, new file, new folder, and click there, open folder, desktop, and new folder. Select folder, and now save your file. Save as desktop, new folder. My first website dot html. Dot html is extension for it. Save. Now, and when we type uh, html, it automatically give me closing with this closing tag. Because give the extension dot html. So before starting, uh, download the autosave. Save. I have already installed it, so you can install this one. Okay, close. Uh, b- Before HTML, we have to put type doc 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 type HTML. Doc type HTML is for HTML5. It's the I'm going to show you the basic format of HTML. Between this HTML, there is a head. As I close the bracket, it gives me the closing tag with of head. In head, we are going to give the title of our website. It means the name of our website. If after head we are giving there's a body. In body, the overall content of our website is goes in body. Okay, so let's begin with our website. We are going to give the name or title of to our website, like title my first website. Oh, website. You can also see the live preview which you are coding by clicking on this live preview. See, it's your first website and the title is my first website. Now go to text editor. As we see tags h1, now we are going to use this h1 tag. H1 is for heading, those, and our heading is also my first first website. You can also see the live preview here. What's happened there? You can see heading my first website. Let's do something else. And like I want to write a paragraph. So use the tag p um, paragraph what I am Arshan and I'm student of BBA second year and we are going to make our first site. Okay, so we close the bracket of the paragraph tag. Okay, uh, so see the live preview world. Here you can see the paragraph which I typed. I'm Arshan Sheikh, student of BBA second year, and we are going to make our first website. So let's edit something in it. And if I want to bold my name Arshan, so there's a tag which is the strong close, and we will put the closing tag before after my name. Okay. Let's see what's happened. Here you can see Arshan is bold now. Now do something else. Mm, if you want to italic something or emphasize something, there's a tag em which is for emphasize, like em close Here you can see the change. Yeah. The student of this second year is now italic. Now move further. They take you for underline. If you want to underline something like I want to underline like our first website, so I put the tag you here and the closing tag after it. You can see underline here. Now you are seeing the whole paragraph is in the on the same line. If you want to change line, you can use br. Like I want to change paragraph from here, I can put br here. I can see changes. I am Arshan and the paragraph change student of BBS second year. There are many texts in HTML which we are going to discuss in further videos. From for the for That's it for now. Please subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys.